Lower than your mama's ever seen it in a lifetime. Never would have imagined it, not even in her right mind.
It is currently almost going to be, actually I think it's already 11, but it is snowing out here. If you guys can't tell, there you have it now. Woo, feels good out here. Snowing. I mean, look at this. I mean, look at all of this. It's perfect to make a snowball. I mean, look at that. See? Oh, man. I wasn't expecting for us to have snow tonight. We had a little bit of snow earlier today. Camera's going out of focus. There we go. I just hope I haven't woken my mom up because, like I said, she's asleep. And she might be like, why are they opening the door so much? That's because it's snowing. Whew. I think this is supposed to last for a couple of hours, but it's not going to be enough for like the morning to
Oh no, he opened it for you. Oh yeah, you found it. Oh, we found it? Yeah, because it's a fever dream. Yeah, he put a...
What's going on, everybody? It is going to be 7 in about 5 minutes. What I mean by 7, I mean 7 in the morning. Last night we had some beautiful weather. That's right, we got snow. This snowstorm that we got last night actually came from a different state that was having a big old snowstorm, and it decided to come towards us. See the mountains over there? Yeah, it's really nice out here. It's really cold. My hands are already freezing. There is a stray cat on the other side of the field, but I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera so you guys can see a lot more better. Here we go. Got a lot of snow. I don't feel like touching it right now because my hands are too cold already. This is my sister's car. It's covered in snow. Surprised that the ground isn't frozen. That's on the street. Woo. Okay, the ground over here is completely frozen. Wow. I can't find my... I don't know where we have winter gloves, but... really cold out here. Oh, there's a car behind me. It's really cool.